let's go down south to the beach. South Beach is the home of Captain John and his best friend Jake. John earned his living as a fisherman. Jake shared his love for the sea. Early one Friday morning, John powered up their 36-foot fishing vessel and headed for the deep blue sea. He whistled a buoyant tune as they made their way to the fertile fishing ground. The energetic little diesel hummed along in harmony and pushed them forward to 14 knots. Jake perched on the foredeck and leaned into the wind. His long feathered ears were flapping like a pair of wings. It was a good day for fishing. The fish were practically jumping into the boat. The flying fish were flying, and the jumping fish were jumping. A dolphin jumped so high that he was flying. A chorus of seagulls sang their praises to a beautiful day. Jake sat on the deck, sorting their catch, while John kept a watchful eye on a distant storm. Suddenly, the sky began to darken, and the wind whipped to 60 knots. Then, out of nowhere, the salty dog was slammed by a 20-foot rogue wave. Jake dug his paws into the deck and tried to fend off the storm with his mightiest growl. Roar! But it was too late. The next 20-footer engulfed their small craft. John and Jake were tossed into the raging sea. John began to lose hope as he watched their boat sink to the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. But Jake refused to give up and instinctively swam to his master's side. John closed his eyes and whispered a silent prayer as Jake paddled hard and headed in a westerly direction. He swam for 3 days and 3 nights, with John holding fast to his collar. Jake just kept going until... he had paddled all the way back to South Beach. Jake had saved their lives. Jake's place in nautical history is assured.